Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage. And brought to you by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics. Mega Mike's Adventure Products, optimizing the outdoor adventure. Custom Auto Sound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radio since 1977. And by Trucker's Warehouse, we sell and install all types of truck, Jeep, and off-road accessories.
When the going gets tough, the tough go off-roading. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. Well, folks, it's all in a name, ATV, all-terrain vehicle. That about says it all. It's going everywhere and it's in some rough environments. So it needs service just like anything else. And you can see our service checklist here. We go down here and we got our engine oil. Now, we cover that in another tech tip, but they do have pretty cool kits here. You can see it's got the oil, the filter, the O-ring, everything you want in these kits to take care of the oil. One click of the button, no trips to the parts store, you're all set. But in this tech tip, we're talking about the actual differential and the transmission. And that needs attention too, and AMSOIL has us covered. I want you to look at this here. You actually have a whole bunch of gears going inside of there, which is the transmission, separate from the oil on these machines. And then you have an actual differential. Now the differential, we're talking about a pinion, we're talking about a ring gear, we're talking about a lot of friction and a lot of issues going on inside of there if you don't use good quality oil. You can see right here the actual CVT transmission, that's up to 270 degrees in these machines. Now in a differential, we're talking about 280 degrees, and that's a little differential. There's not a lot of fluid in there. You guys got to build a robust product for that.
You do, because that is hot. That is extremely hot. These things do not hold much. Some of these hold as little as 5 ounces of oil. That is a tiny amount of oil that you're asking to do a very large amount of work. And what's the first thing you do to your machine when you get it? You modify it.
Absolutely.
You put bigger tires on it. You put a lift kit in it, all adding stress onto that differential. So the product needs to be built very, very strong. You got to start with good building blocks, and that's going to be the base oils, high-end synthetics, proper amount of additives, right? We need the wear protection. We want the rust and corrosion. We need all of those good things in there. Plus, we're dealing with that heat, so our detergency and our antioxidants have to be where they need to be.
Yeah, so go to AMSOIL.com, whether you want an engine oil kit or you want to take care of the transmission, the differential, they got you covered.
Now, you may think you're a neat freak when it comes to your vehicle. Maybe you take it to the car wash every single week. Maybe you clean the interior and vacuum it. But I bet the inside of your windshield looks terrible, like mine does. You probably haven't touched it in months. Tell me, Aaron, why do people avoid the inside of the windshield so much?
Well, let me ask you, Dave, how often do you do the inside of your windshield?
As I said, just about never.
Just about never, and it's because it's hard to do, right?
Yep.
It's hard to reach in there, it's hard to get past your dashboard, it's hard to get past the steering wheel. We've solved your problem here. So you have an inside paddle and you have an outside paddle held together by a strong magnetic force. Put a towel on each side, spray it with cleaner, and go to town.
You can do the inside and the outside at the same time here.
That's correct.
Now there's the basic kit there, the gift set. You also have stuff for pros, and I know you yourself are a pro, and those kits are available on the website as well. But let's see how it actually works here.
You're going to spray your outside towel and set your paddle down. Do the same thing with your inside paddle. Give a nice generous spray. Connect the two paddles and start washing. And as you can see, I'm washing the inside and the outside at the same time, very effectively, easily.
That's fantastic. And what about a vehicle like this? If you're wondering if you got a Jeep, maybe a semi-truck, locomotive, jet aircraft, something you can't reach the inside or the outside of, well, this is a simple job too. Let me show you. All you have to do is you get both pads wet. This can rest there while you're getting the inside towel ready to go. Now, I know, Aaron, you are a professional detailer, as I mentioned.
Correct, yep.
How much time and effort does this save you every day in your job?
This is saving me at least half the time. And as a detailer, that means more money in my pocket. I'm getting it done faster, and I'm not breaking my back reaching over the steering wheel. As you can tell, you're doing everything very easily from the outside.
Well, if you're a pro, or if you just want to keep your windshield clean at home, this is the way to go, let me tell you. It's called the Windshield WOW. You can find it at windshieldwow.com.
Just a few weeks ago, we had this stunning 1968 Chevelle in the studio. I got to talking to the owner, and I just knew we had to make him our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now, his name is Clell Farmer, and he's out of Abingdon, Virginia. Clell told me he started learning about body work when he was just 8 years old, hanging out in his dad's body shop. Clell made a career working on cars, and of course his hobby is working on cars, as so often is the case. And just check out Clell's collection here of 68 Chevelle in Le Mans Blue to go along with the maroon one you've already seen. And don't forget the 66 Chevelle convertible too. And Clell's got pickups from 1963 and 1972. Both of those are works in progress. A couple of 1960 Impalas, and how about this? A 1972 Corvette convertible, red on red with factory air and a 454 under the hood. Clell says it's one of only 15 ever made. Super rare car. And this is the part I love the most. Every one of these cars is insured and tagged, and Clell drives them a lot. He is Clell Farmer, and he is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Hey, if you love things that go, or if someone you know is a true Motorhead, just send us a note at MotorheadGarage.tv. Tell us why you or your friend should be our Motorhead of the Week. We're going to do this again next week. We hope you join us then. In the meantime, so long from all of us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com.